Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve that net framework with the error code 0x80072ee6 in Windows. So this error 0x80072ee6 is a Windows error code that is most commonly linked to network connectivity problems, especially when performing Windows Update activities or attempting to access specific Windows services such as the Microsoft Store or Outlook. And common reasons with this error are corrupted system files, incomplete updates, or malware, and poor internet connections. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable that net framework components. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type control panel and then click open. So here at control panel settings, and on top right corner you can see this category and then click this arrow, and then you need to select large icons to see all settings. And next step, then you need to select this programs and features. And then once open up this programs and features, at left side menu, and then you need to select turn Windows features on or off, so click. And open up this Windows features on or off. So and next step, so you need to enable this net framework 3.5 includes that net 2.0 and 3.0. So enable this box, so click. And the next step, so you need also to enable this .NET Framework 4.8, so click this box. And then you need also to click this plus signs under at 4.8 Advanced Service. And you need to enable also this ESP.NET 4.8, so click this box. And then next step, so you need to click OK. And wait to complete the searching for required files. And then after completing this scanning, and then you can see here that the options, so Windows needs file from Windows Update to finish installing some features. So select this, let Windows Update download the files for you. So after here, and then we need to close. And then the other solutions that we will do is to run the system file checker sfc and Dism command. So all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And then here at search for apps, and then type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then we need to enter and type this command keyword dism /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command, and then we need to paste in here, use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B, and then press enter. And deployment, image servicing, and management tool. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. So after this same scan complete, and the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword sfc /scannow. So /scannow, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then we need to close a CMD. And then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart, okay? Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix that net framework with the error code 0x80072ee6 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.